Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Legal Tings. Today, we're talking about what you should do if you receive an originating claim. An originating claim, previously called a writ of summons, is a legal and court document that starts a lawsuit in the Singapore courts by one person against another. It states the claimant's allegations against the defendant and is the first step in the litigation process, serving to officially inform the defendant that they are being sued. If you receive an originating claim, it means that someone is taking legal action against you, and that's why it's important to take the matter seriously and seek legal advice as soon as possible. The originating claim will include a statement of claim which states and summarizes the key details and aspects of the claim, such as number one, the parties involved, meaning the names and addresses of the plaintiff, the person bringing the claim, as well as the defendant, which is the person being sued. Number two, a clear and concise description of the facts and events that form the basis of the claim, including any relevant dates and circumstances. Number three, the cause of action, which is the legal basis for the claim, including the specific laws or regulations that have been breached and the consequences that have arisen as a result. Number four, the relief, which means the type and amount of redress being requested for by the plaintiff, such as monetary damages, specific performance, or an injunction. Number five, a summary of the evidence that the plaintiff intends to rely on to support the claim, including any documents or witnesses. If you receive an originating claim, here are some steps you should definitely consider taking. Number one, read the claim carefully. Make sure you understand the allegations made against you and what form of redress is being requested by the claimant. Number two, seek legal advice. Consult a lawyer experienced in dealing with civil litigation cases and who will be able to advise you on the strengths and weaknesses of your claim and the options available to you. Number three, respond within the deadline. The originating claim will state a deadline for you to respond, and it's important to respond within this deadline because failing to do so may result in default judgment being entered against you automatically. Number four, consider your response an alternative dispute resolution. See what your lawyer has to say about the case and then decide on the best course of action, which may include admitting liability or defending the claim in court, or, if the claim is valid, mediating or negotiating settlement because it may be more pragmatic and prudent to resolve the matter without going to court. Number five, prepare a defense. If you decide to defend the claim, you must file a defense within the specified time frame in court. Your defense should also set out your response to the allegations made against you and the reasons why you believe the claim is not valid, and also any counterclaims you may have. If the case is likely to proceed to trial, you and your lawyer should also start to prepare to present your evidence and arguments in court. It is important to act promptly and carefully to appropriately respond if you receive an originating claim. A prompt and effective response can sometimes help to speed up negotiations and help both parties resolve the matter as efficiently as possible. So, now you know. If you've enjoyed listening to this and would like to hear more, subscribe wherever you like to listen to podcasts and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And remember, it's not rocket science, it's just legal things.